Good evening students, I am teaching 9th class now, first chapter, second exercise now, rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor means the product of any two irrationals is become rational, is called rationalizing factor. Okay, here for suppose we take that root 3, root 3 into root 3 whole square, square root cancel, that is 3. Here root 3 is rationalizing factor of root 3. Okay, for example, you take that root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. The product of root 2 into root 2, it is become root 2 whole square. Square root cancel, that is 2. So, here 2 is a rational. So, root 2 is multiplied with root 8. That is root 16. Root 16 value is how much? 4. 4 is a rational. Okay, the product of any two irrational is become rational or called rationalizing factor to each other. Okay, if you take any rational irrational number, that irrational number having how many rationalizing factors are there? Infinity rationalizing factors are there. Okay, so here how we can take the rationalizing factors? Take that depending on the set of the order of the sets. Order of the sets. Okay, rationalizing factor. The product of any two irrational numbers. The product of any two irrational numbers is rational or called rationalizing factor. Factors to each other. For example, here root 6 sum. Root 6. Okay, this root 6 is multiplied with root 6. It is become square root 6 whole square. Square root means its order is how much? 1 by 2. The order of the set is how much more? 2. So the 2 we can write as 1 by 2. So that is a root 6. We can write as 6 power 1 by 2 whole square. Here a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. That is equal 6 power 1 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel, that is 6. 6 is become a rational number. Here root 2 6, square root 6, square root 6. Both are rationalizing factor to each other. Okay, for this irrational number having how many rationalizing factors are there? Infinity rationalizing factors are there. Okay. Conjugate sets. The product of two binomial sets is rational or called conjugate sets to each other. Binomial means two, by and two sets. Okay, so binomial means what? Variables or constant or both with the combination of either addition or subtraction of the terms. Okay, the sum or difference of two terms is called binomial. Binomial sets means the sum of or difference of the sets. Any two. Okay, it's called binomial sets. Ma. Okay, conjugate sets means what? Ma? The product of two binomial sets. Two binomial sets is rational or called conjugate sets to each other. Conjugate sets to each other. Okay, for example, root 2, it is a one irrational number. Next, root 3, it is another irrational number. Root 2 is set, root 3 is set. So here the two sets are adding. Okay, now here these sets are called binomial sets. So root 2 plus root 3 is multiplied with root 2 minus root 3. Root 2 plus root 3 is multiplied with root 2 minus root 3. So the product of two binomial sets is rational. Here which formula you can use? A plus b into a minus b is equal a square minus b square. That is here root 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. That is 2 minus 3. That is equal minus 1. Minus 1 is a rational. Here Root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 is irrational number, root 3 is irrational number. Root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational. So the sum of any two irrational is become irrational. The difference between any two irrational, it is irrational. The product of any two irrational is need not be rational. The division of any two irrational, it is irrational. Okay, so here root 2 plus root 3 is irrational, root 2 minus root 3 is irrational. The product of any two irrational numbers is become rational. Okay, therefore these two sets are called what? Conjugate sets to each other. Okay, so here root 2 plus root 3 and root 2 minus root 3 are conjugate sets to each other. Conjugate sets to each other. Root a plus root b whole square. Here it is in the form of x plus y whole square. So x plus y whole square formula is what? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, so this one you can write as root a whole square plus root b whole square plus 2 into root a into root b. Here square root and square both are cancelled. Square root means what? Here exponent form 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 cancel, it is become a. So a plus b plus 2 into root a into root b. Mth root a into mth root b. Mth root of a into b. That is root a into root b. That is root 2 into root of a into b. So here root a plus root b whole square is equal a plus b plus 2 into root ab. Next, root a minus root b whole square. Okay, so here also same formula, x minus y whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square, or x square plus y square minus 2xy. So here x is the what? Root a, y is the what? Root b. So that is here root a whole square plus root b whole square minus 2 into root a into root b. Square root cancel, square root cancel, that is a plus b minus 2 into root a and root b. Okay, mth root a and mth root b, mth root of a into b. Okay, so root a minus root b whole square is equal a plus b minus 2 into root ab. Next here, root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Okay, so here also same, x plus y into x minus y is equal x square minus y square. That is here root a whole square minus root b whole square. So square root cancel, that is equal a minus b. Okay, here these two are conjugate such to each other. When there are product, we can get as a minus b. It is a rational. Okay, these two are irrational. Okay, so here the square root of non-perfect square is become irrational. The square of prime number is irrational. Okay, so here a, b are prime numbers. Okay, so then these two are irrational number. The sum of any two irrational number is always irrational number. Okay, conjugate sets of root a plus root b is root a minus root b. Okay, conjugate set of root a minus root b is root a plus root b. Conjugate set of a plus root b is equal a minus root b. Conjugate set of a minus root b is equal a plus root b. Okay, conjugate set of root a plus b is root a minus b. Conjugate set of root a minus b is equal root a plus b. Okay, these are the formulas of conjugate set of root a plus root b, that is equal root a minus root b. When these two are product, it is become rational. Here also same. When these two product, we can get as rational. Here also same. An irrational number between a and b is, here already we know that a rational number between a and b is equal a plus b by 2. An irrational number between a and b is formula is here square root of a b, square root of a into b. Okay, between any two numbers, how many irrational numbers are there? Infinity irrational numbers are there. Okay, for example here, an irrational number between 3 and 4 is, for the formula, square root of a into b, that is 3 into 4, that is equal to much more 12. Okay, so here next, now number of irrational numbers, irrational numbers between a and b, or how many are there? Infinity irrational numbers are there. Infinity irrational numbers are there. For example here, 1 and 2. Okay, 1, 3, 2, between 1 and 2, how many irrational numbers are there? Example is 1 point. Irrational number means we cannot write in the form of p by q form. That is 1.000000001 1 1 2 3 0 0 0 and so on. Okay, here the digits are not repeat. We cannot write in the form of p by q form. Like this, how many irrational numbers are there? Infinity irrational numbers are there.